Yeah. Alright, y'all. We back same day doing another POV. Hope y'all liked the last one. I know it was a little iffy. But we got this is gonna be the third POV. I know. Does he know he can't turn left here? I'm following his ass because he's going back towards the house. I'm assuming first. But fuck it. When he go, I'm just gonna go. Oh, he going right? Why he speeding and getting that lane? Feel like he finna go somewhere. Slow ass Toyota. Slow ass Toyota. Damn, can you see that bitch for real? Yes, sir. But we got more content on the way and shit. I know he ain't trying to race. That shit overly booked. Overly barbecued. Man, what? Look at that motherfucker, man. He said, I'm counting melee. Big challenge in it, big gang. Bro, I don't think y'all realize how much content really got coming on the way between these two cars now, bro. Cause both these bitches really stock for real. So it's so much shit we both can film, and hopefully we can start doing these mods together type shit. No gay shit, but like, so we can just film so much content, bro. We trying to run this shit up this summer, man. I ain't gonna lie. We got some plans for Friday from our other channel, MC13. Might be going downtown or something, so we gonna see what the fuck happening, things of that nature, man. So yeah. I might just put the wired LED lights in here. I don't know. I got the wireless ones, but I don't really like them for real. Because I got them on the TikTok shop, and I don't like the color white, not really white for real. It's a weird ass color, bro. Like white look like a light blue and shit, so I might just get the wired ones, or I might just wait to do the ambient lighting and have them put the lights underneath the passenger seats as well. Hope y'all been tuned in and loving what we got on this channel lately, man. You feel me? Hopefully by now we hit 1K, man. These videos should be uploaded in April. So hopefully by then, bro, I'm at 1K, bro. That's what I'm hoping and praying for, bro. I'm at the 1K mark. Is what I'm hoping and praying for. He could have just turned right here, but we just gonna follow his ass for the POV and shit. So like, you feel me? And if not, subscribe right now, man. Cause currently it is March 11th, and I'm at 953 subs, bro. So we need less than 50 subs in like what, 20 fucking 25 some days or some shit. How many days we got left? Oh, we got less than 25. I mean, yeah, we got less than 25 days. You said like 20 days or something. It's like 31 days in this month. It's the 11th. So you can say we got 20 days. 20 days left to gain less than 50 subs, y'all. So hopefully I'm manifesting this shit, and you feel me? We had 1,000 subscribers, man. I've been getting a lot of shit done with me even being off work and only getting half of my check. I got fucking the rain guards. I got the side marker lights. I got the tail light tint. And I'm hoping to add a grill to that. Hopefully real soon. The grill I was gonna buy just got out of stock. So we got a lot of videos coming up on mods and shit. We even carbon fibered the whole car out, y'all. Make sure y'all go watch the video on that shit. So we've been getting a lot of shit done, bro. I know it don't seem like it, but I really have been getting a lot of shit done to the car. We're not done, but buying parts to the car, and we just waiting to get the shit done for real. I do see a Durango up there, and that could be a cop car for real. I can't tell for real, but soon enough when I go back to work and I'm getting my usual paychecks and shit, the car shit will go by a lot faster. Hopefully I can pay this bitch off faster. Oh, this is a regular ass car and shit. Look at this bitch ass. Look at this bitch ass in the driver's seat and shit. Hopefully I can get this bitch paid off fast so I can end up getting something else. Whether it's another car note or... You should have got it in my lane. Look at this RT Durango. That RT Durango. That's probably the end of Bunny TV, man. Probably gonna see... Well, depending on how slow my lane is and how his is, but you feel me? We gotta take a lot more videos. I take more videos and shit for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Really trying to be content heavy and be consistent. Summer 2025, man. I'm trying to make this the best summer since 2021 content wise. You feel me? So I'm trying to get shit in play. I'm trying to get shit in motion. I'm trying to gain some momentum to go into the summer. So when I'm dropping videos and shit, I got even some fire ass shit. So like I got a resume to my name. You feel me? So that's what we hoping for, man. I gotta get back in shape too, man. I got fat since I've been off work. And my back been fucked up. I haven't really been able to do nothing. Been fat as a motherfucker, bro. I'm 172 pounds and shit. 172 pounds. Gotta get back to my 155 range. Get my six-pack back and shit. And ain't come kind of milly. I gotta refix my car and shit, bro, too. I fucked up the trunk of my car looking for shit. I fucked up the inside of my car buying tools and shit. Oh man, this shit is speaky. Look at the Durango, bro. I wanted the Durango so bad, but I wanted that bitch in black. If I'm breathing heavy, I apologize ahead of time, bro. You know, you gain weight and shit, your stamina go down the drain and shit. I was kind of hoping he would have hit that gap that's right there. Damn, why everybody in this one left lane for? Look at this lineup right here. Durango, Challenger, and 300. All right, Bunny out of there, man. Damn, he over there with the Durango. Lucky bitch. Lucky as hell. And of course, this dickhead gonna do that dumb ass shit. Like, bro, you driving a Lexus, gang. Calm all that shit down, bro. Like, I want to put this bitch in double sport mode and get up on motherfuckers, gang. So I'll put this bitch in double sport real quick. I got 139. To see if this bitch can get up. Hopefully this ain't no police car behind me, bro. They been in fucking pickup trucks, Durangos, and some more shit. Man, what? Who the fuck just turned like that behind me? Let's hope and pray it ain't a cop car, gangy. Alright, we cool. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little POV. I'm finna head towards the crib. I gotta drive home and shit. I just to get out of there real quick, make sure I ain't get pulled over, bro. But if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, love.